welcome to school too.
Every time I hear you, they shout gbogboro. What do be the work of this your gbogboro wey you dey shout?
Na the gbogboro wey be say go make her long and strong. Na him be this. When they see woman, na this one you go dey use for am. Especially all those girls when they waka pia. No be small for children oh. I don't know how many minutes you last oh.
Now my problem be that go. Because sometimes I no dey even reach 10 seconds.
You no get problem. Na him be this. Na him be this. With this one, 3 hours. You see they there. You no go come.
How much did they say this thing?
You no cost. Na 100 naira.
100 naira.
100
Mama, you just say this thing they work well.
I go give you my number. You go call me.
Because my girlfriend they find me call. They for back here now.
Back here.
Hey. Baba take.
Nah, they stay near
I dash you the other one. Baba, if this thing work, come my house tomorrow. I go surprise you. Baba.
I dey come check you.
Let me take up at the junction. Ladies and gentlemen, give me attention.
I will kill you today. You don't know me.
Oh boy, no be superstition. She a wife for the coke. She a party.
That one is just round one. Baba, you are here.
You know I say I will come and check for result.
I didn't know you were here. Baba, hey, I did not know you were here.
I will give you the noise.
For 3 good hours. Baba, finish her. Baba, finish her. Oh, give me. Baba, see her.
What? Full time.
Very powerful. I did not know.
Listen to my daughter. My daughter.
Oh my God.
Daughter.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Baba, I did not know that.
Hey!
How do you want me to?
My daughter.
School too.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for watching School 2 Comedy. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. We just finished today's shoot. I'm promising you that big, nice stories coming your way. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. See you next time.